This is Achille Songa, and here I'm going to be presenting the project called Smart Energy Meter, and this is the project that I've worked on with Izabayo grass, and I'm going to be showing you the parts of the project, how it works and how it can be used on the web, on USSD, and even how the communication is between the user and the system using SMS. So to begin with, I'll show you the web part, and then I'll show you the USSD part, and later I will show you the effect that what we do there has on the device, which is this one. You can see it's a small device that I'm using as a light for this, and I'll show you how it works on all parts. So let's start, and I'll show you. To start, I want to show you the part of the admin, how it works, the parts that are involved in the admin. So what the admin does is log in, and once they log in, they can be able to see all the meters that have been added in the system. But here we only have the account for the admin, so it cannot work. They have to add the meter number, which is mostly the number of the user. I'm going to add my own number, and then for the password I just use pass and add a new meter, click register, and it should be added. And when it is added, you can see the user will receive a message. I'll show you the messages on the screen. You can see it, and the message says you have been your meter has been added, and they give you the number of the meter in the message, and the meter, you can see it here. Now on the admin part, it's done. This is what the admin can do for now, and once you log out, you can log in with the meter you just got, and we can say add the email and the meter number and the password, and when you log in, you have 0 kilowatt of the energy you can use. And after logging in here and you have 0, you can recharge and add more credits to your account, and you click save, and now your energy meter has this amount of credit that it can use. And you can see these are the transactions that you did. Like now we just bought the credits of 0.8 amount of 100 Rwandan francs, and you can see here there is a meter number. You can also do the same thing using USSD. Let me show you that. On the USSD part, we are going to be using the simulator at Africa's Talking, and this is the code we were given when we added our USSD application. And when you open it, okay, let me refresh before I can use it. You first have to select the phone number. It can be any phone number you want, and then connect. Once you connect, we are in. I can use the phone app, and let me open this, and we have to let's first check our meter balance. Let's check, and once we send, we will be required to add our meter number, and let's add it 630 and 465. And now after adding the meter number, they tell you have 0.8, and that's exactly what we have here in the dashboard. So let's recharge using this USSD. Now after checking the amount of credit we have, we can do recharge. We can add a new credit, and to do that we choose 2, not 1. And after choosing 2, they will ask for the meter number, and yeah, and we can add our meter number and enter. Then they will ask for the amount to recharge. Let's add 500 and send. That now the network is not working. Let me send the request again. I will do 2 25078063046 and then send. The amount to recharge 500, and now your transaction of 500 was successful and you got 4 kilowatt, and now we charge using the USSD, and we can again check our balance using also the USSD. We do 1, and once we add our meter number, you can be able to see that now we have 8.8. If we come back here on the web, we see we have 8.8, and we have other transactions. This one was the one that had failed, probably. It is. So I think we bought 500 twice when the network was experiencing some problems. It went through and we didn't know. This is maybe a bug that we can fix, but you can see even people who don't have web can be able to use this meter. And now you cannot see it working because we haven't connected yet the meter. What we have to do first, we come here and we add the meter number so that the meter will be able to access it, and here we add the server. So this is the server. It will be sending the request to add or remove the energy. So this code is uploaded to the meter, and now we can connect it and see what happens. I want to show you the meter and how it's working. If you look at this light will be too much, but I guess you can see there is the display, and this display shows the let me take the right, and you can see on the display, you can see the amount of energy that is in the meter, and it's counting as the power is being used. And when it gets to 0, this lamp will go off. It will not be lighting again. So once it goes off, the user will also receive a message that says you are out of your balance and you have to recharge again. That's what is going to happen. In the message are going to be put on the display here so that you can see, but you can see it's counting. I waited until it was about 0.3 to record this because we had 8.8 and it was not going to end just now. So let's wait until we have 0.0 and you will see it's off, because now we have 0.0 if you can see clearly in the display. So this is what happens, and the user receives a message that says you're out of your balance, and that's what happens. And I can predict to also have the light again, but now I'll show you how the USSD work, how you can recharge using the USSD. I've shown you how you can use the web, and I've also shown you how it works on the device. These are two things that control this device, and we can also use our SMS. As I've told you, I'm showing the SMSs here on the screen that shows every action that happens whenever you buy a new energy. Whenever your energy is out, you will get a message that says you have to recharge again. So that is it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give us your feedback, please. Thank you.